Dear students, myself Sumangala Magla, Department of Biology, KLE's PU College, Rajajnagar, Bangalore. Today I am going to explain the stages of development of female gametophyte in angiosperm.
This is the vertical section of Anatropus ovule. Anatropus ovule is a type of, one of the types of ovules. Okay. So here is shown, this is the body of ovule. This body of ovule is covered by the protective layers called integument. Okay. This body is attached with stalk, and that stalk is called as funicle. Okay. So now body of ovule and funicle, both of them get attached at one point, and this is called as hilum. Okay. So now in this body of the ovule, you will find a tissue called nucellus. Nucellus is a nutritive tissue, and that nucellus or the entire body is covered with integuments except at the place or at the opening that is called micropyle. Okay. So this micropyle facilitates the entry of pollen tube into the ovule. Okay. Development of female gametophyte in the ovule. See, this is what I told, nucellus. One of the cells of the nucellus functions as a megaspore mother cell. Means it becomes enlarged by absorbing food by the other cells. It becomes enlarged and functions as megaspore mother cell. One megaspore mother cell is shown here. Okay. So this megaspore mother cell, as we know, it is diploid in condition, and that undergoes meiosis to produce megaspores which are haploid. Okay. So one megaspore mother cell can produce 4 megaspores. Okay. Then among these 4 megaspores, only one remains functional and the remaining 3 gets degenerated or disappear. Okay. So now this functional megaspore develops into female gametophyte. Now the actual developmental stages of female gametophyte from megaspore begins now. Functional megaspore, as I told you, this undergoes the successive mitosis thrice. Okay? Means 3 times it undergoes mitotic divisions. See, as a result of first mitotic division, the nucleus of megaspore divides and forms 2 nuclei. Okay, so that is called as 2 nucleate stage. Okay, then the next one is the same. The 2 nucleate stage is becoming 4 nucleate stage by undergoing another mitosis, that we say second mitosis. So that 4 nuclei are formed in the same megaspore. Okay, so 4 nucleate stage we say. And after this, once again is the third mitosis division occurs. As a result of that, 8 nuclei, 4 at each polar region, 8 nuclei are formed. So after this, what happens? These nuclei will get rearranged. So 3 nuclei remains at each polar end, and one of them moves to the center. So out of 4, one of them will move to the center. That is a rearrangement of nuclei. So center, out of 4, one of them will move to the center. That is a rearrangement of nuclei. Okay. So this part here, actually we call this as the egg apparatus. 3 nuclei are developing a membrane around each of them. Okay. And one from this polar region move to the center, and one nuclei move from this polar region move to the center. Okay. Total 2 nuclei are here, and the remaining 3 nuclei are here. Okay. And after this, what happens? Another side also you will find the development of cell membrane around each nuclei. Okay. So that is what the complete development of female gametophyte, which you can see here. Okay. So the mature or the completely developed female gametophyte is having totally 7 cells and 8 nuclei. 7 cells and 8 nuclei. Okay. See, this is what micropylar end, where 3 nuclei are already here and they form a membrane around them, and that is called as egg apparatus. This egg apparatus is consisting of totally 3 cells. Central one is called as egg, and on either side of the egg 2 synergids are there. Means three among the 3 cells 2 are synergids and 1 is egg cell, and that the 3 together forms egg apparatus. And coming to this one, the structure, some finger-like projections you will find over the synergids, that is called as filiform apparatus. And these polar nuclei get fused with each other. We call them as polar nuclei, which is diploid in condition because of the fusion of 2 nuclei. And on the chalazal end, the 3 nuclei which will remain here, they also form a membrane around them, and they are togetherly called as antipodals. And this cell is called as central cell. Hope you come to know that the 7 cells and 8 nucleate stage. See, if you consider, if you begin the nuclei 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 nuclei are there. Cells 1, 2, 3. The central cell one is 4th one, 5th, 6th, 7th. Okay. So completely developed female gametophyte is consisting of 7 cells and 8 nuclei. Nuclei total